What they doing to the yard, Benny? Huh? What are they doing? Huh? What's going on? Yeah, I told you at 10, so that way you can wake up quicker.
I was already up.
That's what daddies do. Here's day 2. All the grass is gone. Look at this. Everybody's quiet because I'm recording, guys.
And they removed the step.
They removed the slab, not the step.
They did?
The slab.
It's gone.
It's already gone.
Here's the backyard, guys. So this is day 2. They put the 2x4s. They leveled it. They got the drip from, not the drip, but for the water to fall this way. So they leveled it. We're putting it a little bit higher. So you see the outline right there. I don't know if you guys can see it too good, but it's right there. It's gonna be a little higher. This is about 39 feet by 20 feet that way. It's gonna be huge. Whoa, it's gonna be a lot of cement. Yep. And then they're gonna be doing the lines so that way the water could fall easy. That's what the markers are for there. This side. And then we're gonna do the fence. That's the next project. But tomorrow they're gonna come and do the pump, pour the cement. And once that's done, we'll show you guys. What I'm gonna try to do is record as they're pouring it, so you guys can see the process. Look at Ben. He's excited. He can't wait to be outside. Dog whisper. I know. He barks at me. He tells me. Right, little buddy? You ready? It's raining, which is why I'm recording inside the house, guys. I'm not liking the little drops right there. Hope that gets fixed. So far. I'm not liking those drips. That's because of this up here. Water's falling right on top of there. morning. Looks good, man. Looks good.